In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to verify your Fusion Markets account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fusionmarkets.com. Once you're inside of here, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll need to go up to either create a new account, or you can sign in to your already existing account. Once you've gotten inside of your account, it should look something like this inside of the dashboard. Now from here you'll need to go down to the left hand corner, and down from here you'll see the verify your account will be 100 to 100%. If you can't see this, then it's probably because you already have verified your account, so you'll already be done with the video. From here you'll need to click continue to continue to your verification progress. And then from here, you'll see these 4 options down here. From here, you'll need to enter in your details like your full name, your address, and other personal details of yours. Then from here, you'll need to choose your account settings. As you can see over here, that I chose MetaTrader 5 for my first account, a 0 account, and base currency as euro. You can also change this to any of these other ones if you want to do that. But from here, once you click next, you'll need to verify your identity by uploading a picture of either your passport, your driver's license, or any other form of ID that you could find. And from here, you'll also need to click next. Once you've done that, you'll need to add in the additional documentation. But you can see you'll need to add in either your government issued photo ID, your passport, utility bill, bank statement, or your birth certificate. They can upload right here or take a photo directly from the browser. Once you've done that, you can see under uploaded files, and then you can click verify my account. Once you click verify my account, this will go down to 100 and disappear, and then from here you can start trading using your live account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!